you want to remove this bolt right there, and then there's also 2 more bolts you want to remove. And then you want to just put that bolt to the side and make sure you do not lose it. And then the piece will just come right out of place. And then what you want to do is remove this spring right there. And I use the pick, or you can use pliers, whatever you prefer. And there's the spring right there. And you can just leave it there. Make sure you don't let it fall loose. And then what you remove next is that little ball right there. It's connected on the string, and that string leads to inside the car where you pull the hood release lever. And right there is where the ball was, with the string attached to it. So basically, it's in like that, and you want to pull it out just like that. And you see, I went ahead and installed the new one right there. And you want to push that piece right into there on the new one. There you have it. Now to get this better seated, I used a pair of adjustable pliers, and I really cranked down in there and got it. And now you just put it back into place and bolt it. Now when you're bolting it back up, just get the ratchet on there and crank it tightly just to make sure it's snug. Don't try to over tighten it. Now that we're done and have the new piece into place, just confirm your work and make sure that it actually works. Now this latch right here was catching onto